natanggap ko na ang resulta ng MRI at CT scan. Maswerte ang pasyente dahil hindi ganun kagrabe ang injury ng spinal cord niya. However, several nerves were stretched and bruised dahil sa tindi ng impact ng pagkahulog niya sa hagdan. That explains the weakness and decreased sensation in her legs.
So how do we proceed? May kailangan ba akong inumin na gamot? Kailangan ko na ba mag-surgery? Ano na, hindi na tayo pwede makasaya ng oras. Dapat gawin na natin ngayon.
Fortunately, hindi na kailangan ng surgical intervention. The nerves will heal in time. Just as a precaution, bibigyan ka namin ng corticosteroid shots to reduce inflammation, improve your blood flow, and recover nerve function.
So, Doc, kailan po makakalakad ang anak ko?
I'm afraid I cannot give you a conclusive answer to that yet. Her recovery time depends sa magiging reaction ng pasyente dun sa mga treatments na ibibigay sa kanya.
You heard the doctor, anak, di ba? Sabi niya, i-endorse niya daw tayo dun sa colleague niya sa Montecillo Abad. Specialista yun dun sa mga cases kagaya mo. Once nakita nila yung resulta, then ililipat na tayo ng ospital. Don't lose hope, anak. Hindi naman magtatagal ang paralysis mo. Makakalakad ka rin ulit once nag-heal ang nerves mo.
But what if they're wrong, Mappy? What if kahit lumipat pa ako ng hospital, hindi na talaga ako makalakad? What if forever na akong ganito? It's so unfair, Mappy! I'm just 26 years old. But my life, my career, it's all gone!
Huwag ka magsalita ng ganyan. Makakalakad ka rin. It will just take some time. You just follow the treatment. And your motor functions will come back. It just takes a little time and patience, anak.
Well, that's easy for you to say. Eh, hindi naman ikaw yung hindi makalakad eh. Alam mo, kasalanan to ni Lilith eh. Dahil dyan sa walang yang apple of the eye mo, hindi na ako makalakad! Ano, Mami? Masaya ka na? Ha? Ha? Masaya ka na? Proud ka pa rin ba sa babaeng yun, ha? For once, paniwalaan mo naman ako. Ako yung anak mo. I'm the one who almost died.
And what reason would she have to make up such a story? What does she have to gain from life? You know, you always try to see the best in others, Mer, and I admire you for that. But in this case, maybe it's time that you start siding with your family, with your own daughter, instead of others. And you may push error aside. And if not, one day, maybe you'll wake up having lost another child.
Kailan po makakalakad ang anak ko?
I'm afraid I cannot give you a conclusive answer to that yet. Her recovery time depends sa magiging reaction ng pasyente dun sa mga treatments na ibibigay sa kanya.
Alam mo, kasalanan to ni Lilith eh. Dahil dyan sa walang yang apple of the eye mo, hindi na ako makalakad!